How to put a link in your TikTok bio. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video. And on today's video we will see how we can put a link in your TikTok bio. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. First of all, launch the TikTok application and make sure that the TikTok application on your mobile device is updated. And if you're already logged in, head towards your profile page by tapping on the profile icon at the bottom right corner. Once you're on the profile page, just below your profile name, there is Edit Profile button. Tap on it. So under this page, just below the bio, there is an option as Links. Tap on it. So once you land on this page, there you will see various options that you can choose from. If you want to add your website link, you must have the professional or registered business account. Or if you want to add Instagram account, tap on Add, and you may have to provide your login credential in order to add your Instagram account. For example, if you want to add your YouTube account link, then tap on Add. After that, you have to select your preferred account. Scroll down and allow the access. After you do that, your linked or your YouTube account link will be added. Now if you go back there, you can see the link to your YouTube account has been added in your profile, and that's how you can put a link in your TikTok bio. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.